It's me. It's Sunday. And I gotta tell you guys thanks a lot for all the comments, all the thumbs up. But before I give you all the info on this video, I want you to remember this video is going to be about retipping. Now, it's not me retipping them, it's about a place that I found that I've had excellent results from. And I'll go into more explanation in a minute. But this is what I'm dealing with today. Yesterday was Saturday. Did a quick half a day. You know, I go out half a day and it's my fun money, like I like to say. It was about 55 degrees. I had a jacket on, sweater, and sweatshirt and stuff. Today, let me turn this around and show you what I'm dealing with. Well, yesterday we were grinding, beautiful weather. Today, Sunday, and I got a mini snowstorm. I don't know what they say it's going to be. It was supposed to be 1 to 3 inches. Now it's supposed to be, I don't know, 6 inches. In Oklahoma, it's like a national disaster. Not for me, though. Anyway, remember the big Isuzu I have? It may be sold tomorrow. Who knows? Like I say, I'm slowly getting rid of my stuff, scaling back. But luckily in my shop, I've got heat in there and TV. But, you know, man's playground. Today, hey, this video is about, I'm not going to bore you. Some guys say I bore them, but hey, whatever. Listen, it's about retipping of teeth. I'm not going to retip them. I'm not going to show you how to retip them. I'm going to tell you where to send your teeth. Whether you have Sandvik teeth, Rayco teeth, green teeth. If you got a stump grinder, I'm pretty sure whatever wheel you're running, these people can retip it. All right. And I didn't want to make the video until I test tried the teeth for it's been about 60 days. I've been trying out the teeth, see what kind of failures I would find in them. Because I made a video a while back about green teeth, showing people what the reds were, the greens were, and the wear sharps and the difference. And I said something about counterfeit teeth. Some guys gave me some flack over it. So today we won't use the word counterfeit. We'll say the lookalikes. How's that? There's a problem. When you go to send them off, when you have real green teeth, it has a bigger dimple in the center. Okay? Deeper. And these carbides have a dimple in the center and they fit in there before they braised them on. So these are from, my brother buys them. He buys them, they come in a yellow container, and I'm not going to say the name, but I was having a lot of failures with them. The entire carbide was shooting off of them. Well, I think we found out the reason why. Because real green teeth have a bigger dimple in them, and the carbide goes down deeper in it. And these people have a process that's even better. The retipping people, they're as good as the manufacturer themselves, green teeth. They braise them on really well. And I don't know how they do it as far as the process, but it's not done with a torch. I think it's induction heating, actually using electricity on it to heat up. That's another process. That's not my world. If someone else knows, make a comment. As long as it's positive, you know. I don't know everything in the world, trust me. I learn just like you, something new every day, but I'm not dead. All right. So when you try to send them off, before you send them off, remember, look, this is a damaged tooth. I hit steel or rock or something in there. See the shaft right here? All right, it's damaged. So it's damaged, so they're not going to retip it. All right. So don't waste your time. You know, these here, sometimes if I could sharpen them a little, I might put them on, keep them in my box in case I go to some nasty place with rocks or whatever, and the rest of the tooth blows up, who cares? So there is a use for something. Now, when you get them back, or should I say, this is what they look like when you get them back. They're sandblasted. You can tell they use it. They braised them very well. But you have a choice of reds, as far as green teeth. You have a choice of reds, which are more aggressive. The cup, like I teach you guys, it's like more dished, okay? Or greens, like the original design. These are 2 reds sitting here. So what I did is I sent in the teeth that I had. They were all wear sharps, and they don't do wear sharps as far as the carbide itself looking like. You have a choice of the green or red, like I said. So I said, you know what, mix it. They gave me half greens, half reds. I put the reds on my lead cutters and I put the greens further back. And you know what? I have, even when I hit something very hard. This is not one, but I'm just going to show you. When I hit something that normally would just like shatter and explode, the wear sharps tend to explode a lot more. These didn't. These would chip off. I would still have carbide on them. And, a while back I made a video. Let me stop this for a second and tell you about it. So a while ago, I made that video, and we were talking about, the lookalikes and them having trouble with, I was losing a lot of the new ones. I mean, the last few days or whatever, I lose the entire carbide off a tooth. And so we discussed it between my brother and I, because, I make orders, I'll order for him or he orders for me. And, I've got a gigantic bag because I sent his order in with mine of untippable teeth now, those shafts, because they're from that other manufacturer. So, you buy what you want to buy. I'm just suggesting to you, buy from the people that invented it, okay? They took the time, they engineered it, they invented it. And the carbide that these retipping guys are using is a very, very, very high quality carbide. I was afraid, at first I bought it, I said it's going to be, whatever. But it turned out they're very, very good. And the name of the company, I took a picture of the card. I'll post it up in this video. And it's called Wit-Son, Quality Tool and Manufacturing. And they're out of Michigan. And a guy referred to me on a Facebook group that I belong to, put it up there and referred them. And there's some other ones, Jeff's and other people like that. I mean, I don't know what they do, but I'm just telling you my experience, okay? I'm sure they do well too. I used to have a guy in Florida. I don't think he's there anymore, but he used to do mine a long time ago. He did a very nice job too. When you get the teeth back from Wit-Son's quality, you do not get nuts with them. So, like I say, sometimes I buy all my spare nuts or whatever. I go to a Tractor Supply or a nut and bolt place, and I buy them in bulk, big old box. And that way, every time I'm adjusting a tooth, I just take off the nut, throw it away, and put a new one on. It's fresh. I never have any problems with them. Now, as far as price, it's worth it. I can't remember exactly what it was, under $7 a tooth. And when you send them all $100 worth, the shipping back is free. Now, I got to tell you something too about this. I don't care what wheel you're running and if you're sending them teeth. No offense to anybody that works for these people, the U.S. Postal Service, but I boxed up. I went to the post office. I used one of their boxes, a flat rate box. They even gave me their tape. I wrapped so much tape on it, looked like a mummy in the box. I said, there's no way this thing's going to break. I got a picture back from the people when they received it in Michigan. It was so nice to me. This is, hey, your box is, broken open. I lost, 9 or 10 teeth out of the box. I went to the post office, yada, yada, yada. They make it wasn't even worth trying to get a refund on my insurance. They make things hard. So these people warned me ahead of time before I shipped it, but I said I thought I knew better because I knew a little post office down the street. Send them FedEx or send them UPS. Right? That's just my advice to you. FedEx or UPS. They'll get there. They're happy. You're happy. We're all happy when we get them back. So as far as this, I don't care what machine you got. I think it's a good deal to get them retipped. I got them retipped years ago, and this company that I found, I am very happy. And the lady that you can call them. I'll give you the number. It'll be on the card, and I'll even in the description, I'll put the link to their website. They are so nice and so professional on the phone. I just got to give them a double thumbs up because in this day and age, customer service is number one for a business. So customer service, hey, they score 100, okay? All right, here's another request from me to you guys. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It helps me out. If there's something you want to know about this business, all right, say you can send me a private email or make it in the comment section. You know, I only got so much time and I'll be out of this business. So I want everyone to be prosperous in it. And I don't care if you're a tree guy, a lawn guy, or if you're a professional stump grinding guy. You know, as far as the stump grinding business, a little tidbit: start off part-time, start off small, build your way up, and then also know the area you're grinding in, what size machine you can use, what, you know. I can afford to buy a $100,000 machine and knock the hell out of stuff really fast. But in my area, I'll be changing out machines quite a bit because I'm in a urban suburban environment to where I do a lot of backyard stuff, or I'll do a lot of high-end complicated stuff that I got to get in. It's kind of like, I'll put it to you this way. It's kind of like the difference between why do they make mini excavators and why do they make gigantic excavators? Different jobs, different size machines. If I'm doing a big land clearing job, I don't want one of them gigantic machines. No offense, I love you guys that got them. I'm very proud of you. I'm envious of you. But, you know, it won't help me in a lot of places I am. So as you grow in your business, you'll know what machine you need for your area. A lot of areas, you know, big suburban areas, wide open, you know, you can use a big bad boy machine. For me, 45, 50 horse machine is good for where I live. Sharp teeth make a difference too. I had an old boy that used to have a bunch of big old Racos and stuff. I could beat him every time. For one, I knew how to run my machine. He would have his guys running it. Two, I kept sharp teeth. Sometimes it looked like he didn't even have teeth on his machine. That's how pounded off they were. But if you own a tree service, like I always tell you, have one guy run your machine. That way he's familiar and knows it. I walked up to a job a couple of weeks ago, and very nice big tree service I've known for years. Had a big Vermeer grinding, and I just stood there and watched. And I walked up to the old guy, and a young guy, and I say, are you the company stump grinder? He said, yep. I said, okay. I said, you do know you can raise it up off of idle and grind. Use running the machine on idle, grinding stumps. Here you got almost 100 horsepower machine on idle. Just anyway, long story short, you learn something new every day, right? Okay. As far as the movie question and all, I'll come up with something here in a minute. And remember the sticker. You can have the new sticker or the old sticker. You guys let me know. The old sticker is, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. And the other one's artwork for my son. It's the same picture as you see when the videos come on. And I'm sorry if I bored you about this one, but it was a very important facts about these teeth and retipping. It's open to everybody. Every machine. Try this company out. I'll just give them a real thumbs up. All right, hold on a minute for the question. All right, it's time for that sticker question, right? Remember, it's open to anyone in the world. You got to be a subscriber, which is simple. Just click. The rules will be in the description. And if you do win, you tell me if you want the new sticker or the old sticker. Okay? And hold on a second. I'll show you which stickers they are. Some of you guys are new to the channel, so I just want you to know. Give me 1 second here. Yep, there we go. This is the old one. It's the big one. It says here, remember, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. Saying I came up with. And the newer sticker is this one here. It says Mustang Rebuilder. It's the one my son did the artwork. So anyway, back to the question. It's a movie question. Since you guys know that I'm building a Crown Vic, right? Mark Wahlberg was driving the actor Mark Wahlberg, or Marky Mark, whatever, driving a Crown Vic in a car chase. I need to know what movie it was, okay? You can Google it, you can find it. All right, so it's a car chase. The actor was Mark Wahlberg. He was driving a Crown Vic. So remember, it's open to the first 2 people that get the question right. You get the stickers. Winter chicken dinner. Anyway, I'm tired as you know what. It's cold outside. I'm going inside. I'm making chili. And I hope this video helps somebody out as far as retipping. It gives you another avenue. Some of you guys that are new, don't ever be embarrassed to ask a question. Send it to me privately if you want, or send it to me on Facebook, whatever. I'll make it in the comment. Or if you got something private, or you can go through the other comments. You'll see what my email is. It says mustangrebuilder@gmail.com. Just email it to me, and it might take me a day or so, but I try to do my best to answer everybody's questions. And God bless you all. You all been fantastic. Every now and then I get a hater. There's haters everywhere, right? See you on the next one.